Hey, I just wanted to show you that those little 3 video snaps were just last week at my around my house. I had a lot of flash flooding around there, so a little interesting video. But we'll go into the real video here. All right, good morning. It's Monday. We're gonna get started. I'm just gonna give you step 3 and maybe the rules or whatever of making sure you don't gain weight and hopefully help you lose weight in the truck is don't drink your calories. When I say don't drink your calories, you guys are carrying around those 32, 64 ounce coolers of soda fountain drinks that are not of the diet variety and full of sugar. If you have 2 or 3 of those in a day, you're literally getting your calorie count for the day that you should get in and just what you're drinking. So just say no to the calories. You know, diet drinks aren't really that much better for you or anything, but you don't get the calories. So watch what you wash down your gullet, because you don't think about drinking as like making things that make you gain weight. But I think as far as drivers go, if you can cut the drinking your calories out of your diet and just drink 0 calorie drinks, tea with Splenda, diet soda instead of soda. Diet soda is not really good for you, but I drink a lot of diet soda. Gatorades that have 0 calories, Powerades that have 0 calories, water, that's a real good thing. Drink lots of water. But changing that all by itself will make an immediate impact on what you're doing. So that's it. All right, so we are going down to Mulberry this morning to load some beans. I've loaded this guy's place before. It was like 7:30. I just called him. I think I woke him up. He's not one that gets around real fast, but I got about an hour and a half to get down there anyway. I called him just to make sure he was up. So we'll get down there and get some beans loaded and start the week. Here we go. Okay, we arrived here in Mulberry, loading some soybeans. Maybe you can get it up there, they'll be in the sun. No, can't get that. I'll get on the other side. This farm, I loaded here last year. This guy's got an auger that's pretty slow. Probably gonna take about 45 minutes to load, but taking this to Little Rock when we're done. So we'll see how things go.
since day one. Something's been missing, I know it's time to transition to a new kind of way and let the passion come out. I'm a dreamer, dreamer. Time slows down when I am singing my heart's true song. Comes when I'm dreaming, I know what it takes. I need my soul to scream out. I'm a dreamer, dreamer. I need to choose, need to decide. Time to stand up, jump to the other side. One way to go, I won't know until I try. I need my soul to scream out. Dreamer, dreamer, dreamer. Dreamer, dreamer, dreamer. Dreamer, dreamer, dreamer. I need my soul to scream out. The dream is on. I can't be shaken. I know I'm strong.
All right, what's happening right now? I'm in Wichita, Kansas at Cargill. I have my sunshade pulled over here because the sun's beating right down on me. And they are broke down. Their scale's broke. And once their scale opens, I'm number 9 in line. So once we start, I'll be here two more hours. So not a fun day on a Wednesday. But anyway, these things do happen. And they paid attention here, so I don't really care. But anyway, if you guys got any more questions about Oakley and what's going on, you might be interested in coming over, give me a shout. My email is at the front and back of these videos. And until next time, take it easy.